Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow changes or access to speech recognition on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go down to the Privacy section. In here, we go down and tap on Speech Recognition. At the top here, you can select between Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. Select one of the options. Now this feature, Allowing Changes locks the settings shown below. New apps will be prevented from accessing speech recognition. And that's it. Now tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.